All right, it's Crypto, where we defy tyranny. It is January 7th, 2025, and here we are again. Right after I uploaded before, the markets crashed a bit more, and you know, I'm a little bit worried, but not completely worried. I was looking at the charts just now, and one chart in particular, we'll move it over this way. Looking at the daily, we have this bull market, support band, and as long as we don't break below with conviction below 96, 95, we should be okay. But if we do break below that, it could get ugly. You know, it could get a little dicey there. So just keep an eye up on that. Um, Really, it's like the biggest thing. I was like looking at. Hopefully, fear and greed is going to be a lot lower tonight. Let's do that. But I wanted to kind of look at like Bitcoin dominance because this is also fluttering up pretty hard. This is on the 4 hour. Yeah, that's looking like it wants to go up pretty strong. Let's take a look. And obviously it's going up because the altcoins are getting completely slaughtered right now. Dixie also had a pretty big bounce. It kind of looks like it wants to go up as well. Ethereum took a really big dip down. I think honestly it might go down to like 2000. This is like a bit of an inverse head and shoulders as well. It's starting to look like that might be what happens. And I know I was kind of accounting against the inverse head and shoulders before, but I think it's gonna be a thing. I hate to say it. Hate to say it. If I can get this thing to cooperate. But the target would be, 28, 29. Let's see. Targets there. Yeah, this is actually giving a target at like 24. That'd be crazy, but I could actually see that happening and in like a pretty tough scenario. I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, I think it's more likely that we come back down to 27 to 28 and create a giant inverse head and shoulders, which is more bullish on the long term. Um, Obviously that would be shoulder, head, and then up. So let's do a quick. I know my drawings do tend to be a little bit. They just tend to be a little bit chaotic. I have a lot of stuff on them. I need to go through them and really delete stuff. But target with the inverse head and shoulders would be like 5,000, 6,000. I mean, personally, I really prefer that we would actually just go up and get out of this pattern right now. But we may have another couple weeks, maybe another month of consolidation before. A month of consolidation would bring our 21-week moving average. Let's see. I mean, it would our moving average would be like 90K. So yeah, that's probably what's going to happen over the next couple of weeks. We just kind of go sideways and meet the 21 week, or maybe within a certain percentage to it. But we did get hit pretty hard in the crypto market today. I mean, overall, yeah, I mean, in one day we got hit. I mean, it's pretty much today. 10-15% down. Like that ain't no joke. That's pretty hard. That's with Cardano, but Cardano is kind of like your proxy. You're probably better off looking at the total crypto market cap though in a situation like this. Heavy support is, well, I'm going to draw another line. A lot of times we kind of like come back to here, this kind of a point. I could see that. I could see us coming down to 3 trillion possibly, and it'd be like a corrective wave, ABC wave. Let's see. Sorry. Find. Yeah. That type of thing. And then we'll come back up. So that's more than likely what we're looking at. So there's probably gonna be more blood to be had, unfortunately. Total two, that'll also probably mean that we'll probably come back down to 1.26 trillion. We've already kind of tested. I just think we might just come down a little bit more. Total three, it's pretty similar, right? Pretty similar. But I just wanted to kind of look at the coins and get an idea. A lot of these things are still holding a parabola. Everything looks pretty normal, really. I don't think Solana's gonna go down much further than this, but it needs to close. Like, we need to get a nice bounce today, or else I'm gonna start getting a little bit more bearish. Let's see, Zilliqa looking like trash. Some of these coins. It's like, could I recommend buying Zilliqa right now? Yeah, but it's like, God, it's just like not very. It doesn't look great. Like, I would have liked to have seen a higher high here. Like, with this kind of a pattern, it almost looks like it might just go to like 10 cents and then we'll fall over. I don't know. So what to think about that. Injective. I think Injective is a pretty good one to be into. H bar, of course. I think it's still good at like $2 or $3. I mean, I don't think that's like over with, but you probably have better. Riot actually didn't crash as hard as I thought. Mara had a pretty big hit today. Near Protocol got hit pretty hard. So I mean, if you're trying to accumulate altcoins, like, you probably have another week or so to do it. But like, today would have been a good day to probably set positions up. Like I was saying earlier, I was doing a little bit of a deep dive earlier. Gala could be one that just would go crazy. I really wonder how. ICP as well. But they're also a little bit about like Hail Marys, right? And Mana. Look at this thing. I mean, it's down at. It was a high of $5 and we're at like 46 cents. It's like a 10x to its all-time high. If it goes back up there. Anyway, I just wanted to check in really quick and kind of just look at the charts. They've gotten pretty pummeled. Looks pretty bad. Looks pretty bad out there. One thing you can look at is see what's trending. The week, I mean, there's some of these are really far up for the week. AOS looks pretty good. XDC renders up pretty good. Injective, Pangu. I mean, they did get hit on the day though pretty hard, so that ain't no joke. I don't know why. I really don't know what happened. Trump ties with certain remains. Caution remains. Putting SEC's case on pause. I mean, to me, this is like bullish news. Crypto market rocked by biggest sell-off in a month. I mean, didn't we just get a sell-off like last month? We had tons of sell-offs. Conflicting crypto rulings. Avalanche. Terra collapse. So we read that. Here's the top means. Comprehensive sport. I really don't know why markets went down today. It's just, to me, it just seems like a good time to get in. If you're not already in, you're not setting positions as a trader. Not financial advice, but today probably would have been a good day to do it. But yeah, I just wanted to post another video really quick, kind of getting used to the setup. Make sure the sound is a little bit better. It was a little bit weak earlier, so just want to make sure. But yeah, carry on, hodl on. We'll check in later. Peace.